Hi guys, today I will be making a Cantonese style pear soup using some exotic ingredients. If you are coughing or having flu symptoms, this soup is perfect. Add in 28 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt. Add in pork bones. Add in 1 tangerine peel. For this recipe, I am going to use equal portions of dry South almond and dry North almond. I'm using 1/8 cup of each. Using sea coconut, I am adding in 1/2 cup of sea coconut. For this recipe, I'm going to use 2 buns of snow fungus. Cantonese, they call it bak mu yu. Mandarin, they call it bai mu er. I'm going to soak the snow fungus in water for 2 to 3 hours. I am using 4 dry honey dates. On medium heat, cook for 2 hours. I'm using this type of lid that has a net. You can see through it so that I can keep my soup nice and clear. I'm going to prepare 4 Asian pears. These pears are sweet, crunchy, and they give off a lot of juice when cooked. Also, after 2 hours cooking, the texture is still very crunchy. Just a quick peek here, I want to show you why I like to use this type of net lid. The heat is at medium, and take a look at my soup. It's still very clear. Periodically, I need to go in and remove impurities as needed. So my soup is almost done, and how I can determine if my soup is done is if I use a fork to poke through the meat bone. If it is soft and tender and the meat falls off the bone, my soup is ready. So now I'm going to add in all my pre-cut pears. I like to keep the skin on just because of its nutrients, and it's also personal preference. The skin adds more color to my soup. I'm also adding in 6 to 7 crystal sugar. I'm also adding in about a dozen of goji berries. Do you know that goji berries also help to reduce acne, promote collagen production, and even out your skin tone? Goji berry has a very distinctive flavor, tastes like cranberry and sour cherry. It pairs really well with coconut, almond, and dates, which I have in my soup. After soaking, my snow fungus is nice and soft and plumped up. Now I'm just gonna add in all of my snow fungus. Snow fungus can also be used to cook for dessert as well. Snow fungus is also called white fungus. Okay, my soup is done. If you like my video so far, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Chinese believe pear soup is effective home remedy to cure for coughs and sore throat. That's it for this recipe, guys. Thank you so much. Until then, bye-bye.